Six Fig Stock Trader here from YouTube, folks. I need your help. I need you guys to help me out in the comments section to see what we should name this. Also, where we should put it on the set. Also, I think that I am going to start lighting up these eyes green. And really, when we're having the green days, the green eyes are going to be on. This is the official first fan mail of the Six Fig Stock Trader channel, YouTube channel. So this is very special to me, and I want it to have its place on the YouTube set. So welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you're at in the world. We're looking at a tweet I dropped about GeoSwap. It will be in the pinned, I should say the end screens of this video. GeoSwap is basically a low slippage DEX coming to Nervos network. And if you're into swapping stablecoins, when we are looking at a total amount of like $100,000, if you used like Pancake Swap or some of those other swapping DEXs, it would cost you about, $1,300 to $1,800 just to swap $100,000 between some stable coins. GeoSwap is going to drop that price down to like $150. This is not a paid endorsement or anything like that. I'm excited to see GeoSwap launch on Nervos network. Quite frankly, it's bringing in some more competition to the ecosystem as well. So that is pretty cool. Now let's talk about May 12th. When I went on Crypto Airborne's channel, shout out to him. I am going on his channel again tonight for a live stream. We'll tweet out the details here shortly, but we are really going to hit the markets at a super high level and do TA on all your favorite coins. So if you got a coin, you're wondering what's going on with it, how much more it will drop, etc., head on over, shill it to us in the comments. We'll pull it up. Now, when I look at this tweet I dropped May 12th, I went on Crypto Airborne's channel telling the world I thought BTC would hit 22,500 at the 200-day moving average on June 13th. So I made this prediction a month out in advance, and we can see if we switch over to this weekly chart what exactly happened with Bitcoin. So we can see that Bitcoin came down, hit June 13th at about 22,350, somewhere in there, 400. Well, it was within like $150. Not a bad guesstimate, I must say. So that was pretty accurate. And I do want to just kind of beat the drum on this. I'm seeing a lot of scary headlines in the cryptoverse here. I'm seeing a lot of concern that we could see these prices go down a lot more, and that is pretty valid to me. But I want you guys to remember one thing. We've been through this before. Coronavirus 2020. And I think that when we saw everybody losing their jobs, everybody going down on lockdown, like the economies worldwide were absolutely wrecked. And what happened? Everybody dogpiled into crypto, and we just kind of like melted up. So are we going to see this V-shaped recovery here, or are we going to see more of a cup and handle? Are we going to see some further action down? Nobody knows. But all I do know is that historically, when we've been under the 750-day moving average, it's been a decent time to buy crypto. And that's exactly where we're at here. Not financial or trading advice. Markets could dip even further. This just is what it is. So with that said, let's look at CKB here. And I apologize, folks. I haven't been able to put out consistent videos on CKB and some of the other coins because I was having issues with StreamYard. And then I switched over to Restream. And then I was having more issues with Restream. Basically, I was paying for 1080p on Restream, and it was coming out to like 240p video quality. So I couldn't put that up on the channel. Now I'm switching over to OBS for the time being. Whatever. Now, you guys have seen this Fibonacci channel in my videos for the last month or so. Really, when we look at this coronavirus dip to November of 2020, we can see that the prices in the market have really obeyed this channel very nicely. And you can see how price action came right down to this lower trend line. And for like the last month and a half, I've been telling people I've got my buy order set at about 0.0035-ish, and it filled. So I did see a lot of people buying up at these 0.004, 0.0045 cent levels. So I do think that if we break this lower channel line here, we're in for some trouble. And I think that we'll see CKB go down to maybe 0.0026-ish area. If that breaks, we're going to be looking at 0.002389. If that breaks, we're in price discovery mode to the downside. So I'm hoping that we can just maintain this really nice channel that we've already got going. And I'm hoping that maybe we can see the 7 to 10 cent range on the next bull pump. So we'll just have to kind of see what exactly is going on. So what's going to happen with CKB next? Well, I do think that we are seeing the symmetrical triangle squeeze really too far away from this Ichimoku cloud. And I do think that there might be a chance that we see this 50 moving average come down like this and intersect with this lower Fibonacci channel. And I do think that there is a possibility to see this 0.0045-ish cent level. If we see prices break through that, look for the 0.0056-ish level. Obviously, if you see prices trading below about like 0.00331-ish into the 9s, 0.00299s in there, we could be in some significant trouble. So it is what it is. We're just going to kind of play the waiting game. But like Bitcoin, I do think that there might be this chance for a little bit of a redemption or possibly some sort of inverse head and shoulders on a major scale playing out here. So that would be awesome to see this all happen. Unfortunately, folks, there's really not a whole lot more I can tell you guys about CKB. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and we'll see you guys all on the next one. If you guys want, check out this GeoSwap video at the end screen, and we'll see you guys in a couple days.